ESH, we think it's really important to get young students in to do work experience. Often it's the first time that they experience work life or an office environment particularly. We hope that by the time that they finish school, we've given them a little sample of what working life's about, what it's like to have a routine, make a decision on where they want to go, what they want to do with the future, and hopefully come into the world of civil engineering or construction as well.
Hi, I'm Ben and I'm here for the Week for Work experience.
So, during the week, Ben has spent time with the various different departments to gain a broader understanding of the industry. He spent time with the quantity surveyors, planners, the estimating department, as well as the contracts managers.
Hiya, I'm Charlotte and I'm doing the work experience here at ESH. This week I'm going to be looking at creating a vlog about work experience. My plan is to research ideas for vlogs, create a storyboard, film it and then edit it.
Hi, I'm Tanisha and I'm taking part on the 12-week shared summer placement with ESH Construction. I'm going to be looking after Charlotte this week and showing her all the things that I've learned within my placement.
The benefits of doing work experience with students on an actual site environment is to give real life, real time, with real people experience of the working environment, ensuring that students make the right choices when they move forward into their working lives.
So we're back at the same office now and I'm going to update our followers on social media. After that I will start the editing process of my vlog using iMovie. Well, I hope you've enjoyed our work experience video.